Hi, Solange. I don't understand why there's two posts in here. I guess you just made a mistake. But I'm going to look at your site first. And it is going directly to somebody else's site. So I think you just have the link wrong, but let me double check. Go in Chrome. This one says it can't be reached. Very strange. Let me go to Safari and see if that's different. All right, so this one doesn't like it either. So you've got the link messed up, but let's see. Yeah, I've never seen the AI site or address look like that. So the link is incorrect, and I don't know why it once went to Miriam's. Maybe you have that linked incorrectly. So this was 924, this is 911. I will grab this one. Wait for that to download. How large is this download? Okay. You want to make it as small as you can for your website because, if you want people to download your portfolio, you want it to be pretty quick. So if there's anything you can take out, you should. Okay, so this is your leave behind. So your leave behind draft is 15 megabytes. I'm confused why it's so huge. Okay, I saw this before. I think it's a good idea. I like the idea of planting something. As far as the design on this page, I was a little confused what I should look at. The stretched out tracking is really supposed to be for like captions and headlines. It's hard to read in paragraph form. And also you want to be consistent. This one is a sentence over here, but this one isn't. But the illustration is good. Great idea. I like that you put in the texture of the planting material. I've never actually planted one of those things. I'd be curious to know how well it works. All right, so you'll get some points for that if it's part of the, yeah, it is part of the assessment, but you won't get any points for the web design stuff. Let me know if you have any questions.